Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Scratch. Today our topic is how many bits do our computer operating system runs on, whether it is 32-bit and 64-bit. Before discussing about that, let's understand what is 64-bit operating system and 32-bit operating system. In my case, when I go to Windows C drive, it contains two folders, which is program files and another one is program files into 86. The first one is program files for 64-bit operating system, and this one, the second one, is for 32-bit operating system. So what is the difference between these two folders is, for 64-bit operating systems like me, it can able to install either 32-bit or 64-bit softwares or applications. But some PCs who have 32-bit operating system can only run 32-bit applications or softwares in their PCs. So in order to remove the clumsiness between these two, 32-bit and 64-bit, every PC has two folders. One folder for 64-bit applications and another folder for 32-bit applications. Okay, so in my case, my operating system is 64-bit. Let's look at 32-bit program files folder, which has McAfee folder, which is a 32-bit software which has come default to my application when I bought my PC. So now the problem is how to check what version of your operating system is. Go type this PC in the search box, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see your device specifications, that is like your device name. This is your device name, and your processor, AMD Ryzen, installed RAM 8GB in my case, which is 5GB usable. This is the product ID, device ID, and here you can find 64-bit operating system, 64 based processor, that is the system type. And also you can see like when was your operating system installed in your PC. So that's it guys about this video. Thank you for watching this.